I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the gym.
What's okay, gang? Rocket family, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this infamous high puff sleek. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys all that today in this video. Don't forget to follow all my social media. There'll be an Instagram box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag KGang to get shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out is these people right here. So yeah, if you have a video shout out, comment hashtag KGang and you get shout out. So let's get into the video. That way. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is remove the bonnet.
You better stop!
Okay, so don't make fun of me. I'm in my doodle braids, of course. So I'm basically just going to unbraid my hair and then we're just gonna get into the whole fluffing, puffing moment.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar.
Look at how, like, you can't really see, but my hands are so oily. So yeah, I oiled my hair 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago I washed, oiled, did all of that to my hair. And I don't know about you guys, like when you wash your hair or like recently came from Protective Style, does your hair feel like... So I'm going to take my pick and basically sort of just pick my hair because my hair was braided up in like squares and stuff. So I need to like remove the squares, you know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So if my hair is like the partings, because I want them to be fluffed out so like you can't see through my hair. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done picking out my hair. Like look at the fro. Hey, look at the fro. Hey, look at the fro. Hey, whoa, hey, whoa. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. Hey, hey, and I put it in. Hey, hey, and I put it in the bum. Hey. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking like. This is the fro. You feel me? Oh yeah, if you guys watched my video where I had dyed my hair burgundy, here's the tea on what happened with my hair. So basically, I dyed my hair burgundy. It was good for like a day, and then I had to oil my hair because for some reason my hair was like really dry, and literally my hair, like the hair dye made my hands turn pink. So I'm like, the hair dye is coming off. So that's my experience with that. If I'm gonna have to dye my hair, I'm probably gonna have to bleach my ends. When I was washing my hair like 2 days ago, my hair was turning pink, like the shampoo was turning pink. So I'm like, is there like still dye left in my hair? And like now my hair low-key looks a little brown. So that's the update on that. Wasn't expecting that to happen, but it did. I guess it's whatever. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking like now. So now we're gonna get into my favorite part, which is the sleeking, all that, you feel me? So I'm going to get my this comb thing, sort of just do that and put it on my front edges so we can get it sleek. Now it doesn't have to be like super sleek, it just gotta be manageable. Like I just want like this to look flat basically. Okay, so now that we have cocaine in our hairline, I'm going to get my Eco Styler gel. And then we're going to sort of put that like farther behind it. I know this is looking crazy. I know like a lot of people brush it first, but I don't. Like I like to just sort of do it like this first, and then I'll brush it everything together.
No.
Original.
Yeah.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
She said
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice.
Now, time for my favorite part. You want to get your shoelace around your neck. If you have a headband for this, cut that headband in half basically. If you can't do that, cut your headband in half. So I like to have it prepared so like on my shoulders, like okay, we about to do this. My dirty or bristle brush, you know what I'm saying? And then we're just gonna brush everything up.
See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now.
Okay, so now you have your tie ready. We're just gonna push it up from the back, and you wanna push up the front. Like take turns pushing each up. Okay, so now you should have a spot to stop at. I'm gonna stop right there. I think that's best. And then I'm basically going to tie it. You don't want to do it too tight so you won't get a headache. And then I'm gonna just tuck it underneath the band, honestly. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be glue. Now our hairline is looking good. I'm going to get my Got To Be glue, my board bristle brush like that. Put a little bit on the hairline, on the hair a little bit, as well as in the back too. Now I'm going to do my edges. Edges is art, so take your time. I'm gonna use my Eco Star gel for my edges, and then we're gonna do fast motion this.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. V-Kills. Let's
It's
go.
V-Kills.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Alright, you guys, so it's been some time. Now it's time to remove it.
Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body.
Alright, you guys, so this is how my puff is looking like. This is how I get my infamous puff, as you guys know it. My hair, like the band is actually like really high up, but my hair falls over. Like the band's actually like all the way right here, but my hair falls like. So it makes it look weird. I don't know. That's what I hate. Like you see, this is where the band is at.
In the proof. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try it out. Send me some pictures if you guys tried to do your puff and succeeded. So I hope you guys guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys try out this hairstyle. I mean, it's such a super easy hairstyle. Like puffs, like I don't know why, but I really love puffs. Such an easy, like lazy girl hairstyle. You don't even have to do all that extraness. You honestly could just put it up and go. Don't forget to follow all my social media. There'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #CarrotGang to get started on my next video. Now about to enter Survivor versus Stomach Pink, and I think with the occasion, get right path, get right way. So I hope you guys enjoyed Bible verse. Peace, you girls out. And well.